Spring is sprung. That means flowers in bloom, allergies, spring cleaning, and renovations to spruce up your spaces. Before you head out to enjoy the weather, let's refresh your knowledge of remodeling builder's risk. Renovations can be basic, like installing new kitchen cabinets, updating bathrooms at your office, or they can be extensive, like tearing out load-bearing walls for that open concept, or an addition to a restaurant to expand the dining space. What do you need to know before you get started quoting? Well, first and foremost, what's the description of the work being performed? There's a big difference in the price of a new kitchen cabinet versus price of eliminating load-bearing walls or building an addition. Now, there are some renovations that are ineligible, such as most foundation work and fire restoration. So what work is your client planning on doing? Are they just replacing floors in the kitchen, or are they fully gutting the structure? The more details you provide on the front end, the faster and easier your policy issuance process will be. Next, what does your client need coverage for? Just the renovations, or do they need coverage for both the renovations and existing structure? Keep in mind, Zurich will only cover existing structure at actual cash value, while the renovations are covered at replacement cost. Make sure you check the correct boxes during the application process. If the correct selection isn't made and the values listed accordingly, coverage won't trigger properly. And lastly, the anticipated completion date. Verify this with your client, which they can find on the construction agreement. Remember, don't just use the expiration date. We see so many extensions, and every time an extension is requested, the account goes on hold for underwriting review. If the completion date was incorrect to begin with, it may cause your issuance process to drag on. Because renovations are more nuanced than new construction, they tend to generate holds for underwriting review, which assures we have the total picture when quoting your remodeling account. Once you've gathered all the essential information, go to usassure.com and get a quote. It's just that simple. Now I've got to go get cleaning. Till next time.